If you're in a season of refraining from alcohol, you are going to love my non-alcoholic mimosa. It's the best one out there because it actually tastes like the real thing. If you're new around here, I'm Shelly with Art for My Table, and today I'm sharing with you my blood orange Mimosa Mocktail. A traditional mimosa is made with just two ingredients, orange juice and champagne or sparkling wine. The only difference between champagne and sparkling wine is where it's made. It's called champagne if it's made in the Champagne region of northeastern France. If it's made anywhere else, then it's sparkling wine. I have two secrets to success for my version. First, we're using fresh juice from blood oranges. Blood oranges are amazing. They are a gorgeous color. They're sweet and intensely orange with just a hint of raspberry. And two, we're using an alcohol-removed sparkling Brut. This is why it tastes like a real mimosa, because it has all the goodness of sparkling wine without the alcohol. Sparkling wines have varying levels of sweetness. A Brut is just more of a dry version with less sugar. To get started, we're going to juice our oranges. A citrus press works really great for this. And I'm just gonna put my orange in there and then press it in. Blood oranges are usually pretty small. They're smaller than the average size orange, but they are not as small as like a clementine. So they'll typically fit in a citrus press, but if you have one that's larger, you could easily just quarter it and put it in there. We're gonna need about 3 ounces of juice for this recipe. And so that could be anywhere from 2 to 3 oranges. It really just depends on how juicy your oranges are. And these are pretty juicy. After squeezing the juice, we're just gonna pour it into a champagne flute or other fancy glass that you have. Next, we're gonna add our sparkling Brut. And you'll just top that off with another 3 ounces or so to the top. Isn't that beautiful? I definitely recommend garnishing your mocktails. Makes you look like a real pro, and the presentation is so pretty. So today I'm just using a little wedge of the blood orange, but you could also garnish it with a sprig of rosemary or fresh thyme, or even edible flowers. If you don't have a non-alcoholic sparkling wine, there's a number of other things that you could use as a substitute. Keep in mind it will taste a little bit different, but it'd still be a great drink. You could use soda such as 7-Up or Sprite. You could also use a sparkling water, either a flavored one or a non-flavored one. Different flavors can add a little bit of another flavor element to your drink. You could also use ginger ale or ginger beer. Any of those are fine. You can also use a different orange if you'd like. You can just buy orange juice and use it that way, but I do think fresh squeeze tastes absolutely the best. But if you can't find blood oranges, use a Cara orange or really any variety that is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching today. For more recipes, you can visit artformytable.com. And for more videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there's a new video. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.